Okay, so in the last video we were talking about the problems that can be caused by drag in the guide tubes, but really the primary issue with printing flexible filaments occurs in the extruder. And this is where we're pulling from the filament spool, but once we start pushing on the material to push it down into the hot end, that's where we get issues. And this really just results from the low modulus material. If you want a softer print, in general, you're going to have a mechanism that can push that softer material through. And there's a really simple formula in beam theory that describes when a beam is going to buckle, and it depends on the modulus of the material and the unsupported length of that beam. So for a given force, the beam will buckle out to the side. It's a stability criteria that says it will buckle out to the side if either the length is too long or the modulus is too low for a given cross section and everything. So that's what we're dealing with here. So we have this nip force that's squeezing on the filament and pushing it down through, and if we don't have support in this region before it enters the hot end, that's where we're going to have trouble. So if you look at ABS, even at a long length, it's kind of hard to get that material to buckle out to the side. If it's long enough, it will easily buckle out to the side, but for the lengths that we're talking about here, just even a centimeter, you'll be fine. With NinjaFlex, it's very different. So it buckles out very easily, even with a short unsupported length. So this is the primary issue with most printer designs out there, is they don't have something supporting the filament as it leaves the nip, or leaves the drive gear and enters the hot end. So this region, we need to add support material. And we'll look at a couple of different extruder designs and show you some details of how that can be done. You can even just print the support material with ABS or some other material, usually, and put that part in here to support the filament.